Common phrasal verbs with give. Listen and repeat. Give away. Give away. It means distribute something for free. Examples: I heard they are giving away a free DVD. I want to give away some of my clothes to charity. Give back. Give back. It means return something. Examples: I gave the money back that she'd lent to me. She asked me to give her the book back. Give in. Give in. It means submit homework. Examples: the projects have to be given in 3 weeks. You were supposed to give this work in 4 days ago. Give in to. Give in to. It means agree to something you don't like. Examples: the government says it will not give in to terrorists. The government refused to give in to their demands. Give it to. Give it to. It means punish someone. Examples: they really gave it to me for forgetting to turn up. I can't believe she gave it to me for nothing. Give it up for. Give it up for. It means applaud. Examples: please give it up for our next guest. She wanted us to give it up for his great performance. Give off. Give off. It means help someone with no expectations. Examples: he gave up his free time to help the club. He is willing to give up his time to help people. Give off. Give off. It means emit pollution. Examples: the van was giving off a lot of black smoke. Vehicles which give off a lot of smoke should be fined. Give on to. Give on to. It means open into a place. Examples: the French windows give onto the lawn. The garden gate gives onto the main road. Give out to. Give out to. It means criticize. Examples: the teacher gave out to us for being late. I'm not gonna give out to her for being lazy. Give out. Give out. It means distribute. Examples: he was giving leaflets out in front of the station. I have collected some money to give out to the poor. Give over. Give over. It means stop an activity. Examples: the police told them to give over. Give over complaining. We're nearly there. Give over to. Give over to. It means dedicate. Examples: he gave himself over to finding his son. In his youth, he had given himself over to pleasure. Give up. Give up. It means stop trying. Examples: I can't think of the answer. I give up. I gave up going to the theater when I moved out of London. Give up on. Give up on. It means stop feeling hope. Examples: I have given up on them. They never do what they promise. He gave up on her after she cheated on him. Have you ever given up on someone? Comment below. Give up to. Give up to. It means report to authorities. Examples: he gave his accomplices up to the police. They should give their report up to the police. Give yourself up. Give yourself up. It means surrender to the police. Examples: the gang gave themselves up last night. He finally got himself up last week. Give yourself up to. Give yourself up to. It means dedicate time. Examples: he gave himself up to his job. You should give yourself up to your duty to succeed. Subscribe to my channel for more phrasal verb videos and share with your friends.